Hey guys, I'm back with another new tutorial, and today I will show you how to make this timeline presentation slide animation in just PowerPoint. I will show you every single step from the very beginning to the end. So without wasting your time, let's start our tutorial session. Here you can see that I have already taken a blank slide. So first, to change the background color, go to design, click on format background, and from here I'll pick this light gray color. Now just close it. Go to home, pick a line shape, drag this line shape from the left side of our slide, go to format, click on shape outline, change the color to this dark gray. Again go to shape outline, increase the weight to 2.5 point. Now we have to pick a oval shape. Holding the Ctrl Shift from your keyboard, drag it over here, place it over the line shape, go to format, click on shape fill, change the color, then go to shape outline, select no outline. Now click on the small arrow, go to effect, and we'll add some shadow. So set the shadow color to black, increase the transparency to 60%, size 105%, blur 6 point, angle 0 degree, distance 0 point. Now close it, select the line shape, press Ctrl D to duplicate, change the direction from this side, place it over the small circle, resize it a bit from this side, right click on it and send it to back. After that, select this small circle, press Ctrl D to duplicate, move it to here, from shape fill, change the color. Again select this line shape, press Ctrl D to duplicate, bring it to here, resize it, right click on it and send it to back. Again select and duplicate this small circle, place it here, change its color. Select the line shape again, press Ctrl D to duplicate, move it to here, right click on it and send it to back. Resize it from this side. Make a copy of this small circle, place it on this line shape, change the color. Again make a duplicate of this line shape, place it here, right click on it, send it to back, resize it. Make a copy of this circle, place it here, change its color from shape fill. Here you can see that I'm just repeating the same process again and again. First make a duplicate of this line shape, place it over a circle, send it to back, resize it a bit. Make a copy of this small circle, place it over the line shape, change its color from shape fill. And by this way, I'm just making a timeline on our slide. After adding all the necessary shapes, we have to pick a text box, drag it over here, add some header text, selecting all the text, change the font to Cen MT, make it bold, increase the font size to 20 point, make it center, change the font color, make another copy of this text box. Here I'm typing some explanation text, decreasing the font size, changing the font color to this dark gray. Now place it in the middle of the previous one, selecting these two, press Ctrl G to group. Then bring it to here, press Ctrl D to make a duplicate of this text box, place it over this circle, change the header text color so that it matches with the respective circle. Again make a duplicate of this text box, place it here, change the color of this text, and in this way we have to make a few copy of these text boxes, place them over the circle and change their color so that they matches with the circle color. After that, again we have to pick a text box, drag it over this small circle. Here we have to add the number. I'm typing 1, selecting the number, change the font to Cen MT, increase the font size, make it bold, center and change the color to this light gray. Place it in the middle of this small circle, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over here, change the number, place it in the exact middle. And in this way we have to make a few more copy of these small text boxes, place them in the middle of this small circle and change their number. After adding them, we have to select all the elements from this slide. Holding the Shift key from your keyboard, drag them to the right a bit, then resize this last line shape so that it matches with the slide size, and do the same thing for the first one. Here our first slide is ready. Now we have to make another one. So right click on this slide and select duplicate slide. From this new slide, we have to select all the object. So press Ctrl A to select all the elements, and holding the Ctrl button, deselect this line shape. Then press the delete button from your keyboard to delete all the elements except this line shape. Now holding the Shift key from your keyboard, drag this line shape in this left side of our slide and change the direction from this side and make it like this. After that, let's get back to our previous slide, and from here we have to select these objects and press Ctrl C to copy them and paste it on this slide by pressing Ctrl V. Now from here we have to select this circle and the text box, move it to here. As the process of creating this timeline is as same as before, so to save your time here, I am doing it in fast forward mode. This is really simple. Here you just need to make a duplicate of the object, place it in its right position, resize it, and make some changes such as change their color, number and size, and after that we will have something like this. Then from our previous slide, I will just copy this upper portion by pressing Ctrl C, copy it and paste it here by pressing Ctrl V. Here both of our slides are ready. So this time is for adding the animation. To do so, go to animation, click on animation pane to look over our animation status. Now to add our first animation, select this line shape, select wipe, from effect option, select from left, set start on click, duration 0.50 second. Then select this small circle, go to add animation, from here select zoom. Set start with previous, duration 0.50 second and delay 0.25 second. Now select this number text box, go to add animation, select zoom, set start after previous. Now select this group of text boxes, go to add animation, select zoom again, set start after previous. Now select the second line shape, select wipe, from effect option select from left, set start with previous, duration 0.50 second, delay 0.25 second. Now select the small circle, from add animation select zoom, set start with previous, duration 0.50 second, delay 0.50 second. Then select this number text box, from add animation select zoom, set start after previous. For this group of text box, from add animation select zoom, set start after previous. Now select this third line shape, select wipe, from effect option select from left, set start with previous, duration 0.50 second, delay 0.25 second. Select this small circle, from add animation select zoom, set start with previous, duration 0.50 second, delay 0.50 second. Select this number text, from add animation select zoom, set start after previous, and for this group of text box, from add animation select zoom, set start after previous. Now if you start the slideshow, you can see that the animations of first 3 block is working perfectly. In this way, we have to animate the rest of the elements. So select this line shape, select wipe, from effect option select from left, set start with previous, duration 0.50 second, delay 0.25 second. Select this small circle, select zoom, from add animation, set start with previous, delay 0.50 second, and now select the small number text box, zoom and set start after previous. For this group of text box, select zoom, set start after previous. I think all of you have noticed that we are using the same animation for each block, so to save your time I'll not repeat the same thing. Here you just need to remember one thing, that for the line shape you have to use the wipe animation. From effect option you have to select from left, and for the small circle and the text boxes you have to select the zoom animation. Here for the second slide we have to follow the same animation process. Select the line shape, select wipe, from effect option select from left, set start with previous. Now select the small circle, from add animation select zoom, set start with previous and delay 0.25 second. Now select this number text box, select zoom, set start after previous. Then select this group of text box, from add animation select zoom again, set start after previous. Now select the second line shape from this slide, select wipe, from effect option select from left, set start with previous, delay 0.25 second. Select this small circle, select zoom, set start with previous, duration 0.50 second, delay 0.50 second. For this number text box select zoom, set start after previous. For this group of text box do the same, select zoom, set start after previous. Now select the third one, select wipe, from effect option select from left, set start with previous, delay 0.25 seconds. Select this small circle, select zoom, set start with previous, delay 0.50 second. For this number text box select zoom, set start after previous. For this group of text box do the same, set zoom and after previous. For this fourth line shape select wipe, from effect option select from left, set start with previous, delay 0.25 second. For this bigger circle from add animation select zoom, set start with previous, delay 0.50 second. For this text box set zoom, set start after previous. For this group of text box select zoom animation, set start after previous. For the last line shape select wipe, from effect option select from left, set start with previous, delay 0.25 second. And we are done with adding the animation, but now we have to add a transition. So go to transition, select push, from effect option we have to select from right, and our slide is ready. Now if you start the slideshow, you can see that our whole animation is working perfectly. You can download this template for free. I'll give the download link in the video description. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you like this video. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure you subscribe, share with your friends, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get time-to-time notifications from our channel. Hope to see you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.